Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Target Circle card step by step clearly. To authenticate with your Target Circle card, start by opening the Target app on your mobile device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for a smooth process. Once the app is open, navigate to the account section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. In the account section, look for the option labeled Target Circle. Tap on Target Circle to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. Ensure that you input the correct information to avoid any login errors. If you forgot your password, select the Forgot Password option to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your email to create a new password. Once logged in, you should see your Target Circle card information. If you are a new user, select the option to create a new account. Enter the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. After entering your details, create a strong password. Read and accept any terms and conditions presented. Submit your information to create your Target Circle account. Once your account is set up, you will be automatically authenticated. You can now access all the benefits of the Target Circle card. Make sure to check for any promotions or rewards available for your account. To use your Target Circle card, simply show it at checkout or apply it for online purchases. Regularly check your app for updates on rewards and offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.